In a crackdown on anti-war protests across major cities in Russia, more than 500 people have been detained. According to the sources, around 100 arrests were made during the agitation in St. Petersburg. This all started after Russian President Vladimir Putin announced a partial mobilization to increase troops for the war in Ukraine. He announced the partial mobilization of reservists as his country faces setbacks in its invasion of Ukraine. He announced this move in an address to his nation on Wednesday, marking Russia's first military mobilization since World War II. After this big announcement by Putin, a massive protest broke out in Russia. Amid this protest, many videos and images were showcased on social media. Police can be seen bashing protesters with sticks in St. Petersburg. Agitators were seen being carried away by the police in the center of the city. As per the sources, more than 535 people had been detained in 30 cities across Russia. Partial mobilization is a term for when specific groups of people will be called up to serve in Russia's armed forces. It is different from a general mobilization, which involves drafting from the general population, refocusing the entire economy, and essentially setting the whole country on a war path, hitting a pause on normalcy. Reportedly on Wednesday, Russian Defense Minister Sergei Shoigu said that Russia would call as many as 3 lakh reservists to military services. Russians have already begun to receive notices summoning them to appear for service. Shoigu further said the country's mobilization resource amount to 25 million people, and a little more than 1% of this number falls under partial mobilization as ordered by Putin. If true, this is a significant increase. Russia is believed to have invaded Ukraine with about 1,50,000 troops in late February, so an additional 3 lakh is more than double that. While it's unclear how exactly the reservists would be deployed, Putin's move follows report of heavy troops losses in Ukraine. It would be the first military mobilization in the history of modern Russia. The officials on Wednesday published a statement warning citizens against taking part in protest, threatening those with up to 15 years in jail.